Today we get to talk about something that is not only math but art. Tessellations. If you look at this poster up here, this bottom one, this is an example of two shapes being tessellated. Now, this was done by the graphic artist M.C. Escher, and he took a lot of time and detail, because he's an artist, to make the shapes look like a fish or some kind of bird. And the higher you get on this, more towards the sky, the birds get more detail. The lower in the water, the fish get more detail. But it's based on this basic thing of what a tessellation is. And a tessellation is a repeating pattern of one or more figures that completely covers a plane without gaps or overlaps. So when you tessellate your shapes, they cannot hang into the area of another shape, and we can't have any gaps. So I can tessellate this triangle here by putting it together. Now I've formed a rectangle, and then I can just keep tessellating this as long as I'm not overlapping any of them. Oops. And I don't have any overlap. I could keep doing this over and over again. Not that I'd want to, but I could. Bless you. Oops. See, now that I did that, it's going to be hard to move them. And I've taken all these triangles just to make a larger rectangle. But you see what the deal is. No gaps, no overlaps. Do you think we could tessellate this shape as is? Does anybody want to try? Come on up, sir. Go ahead and touch that. Pull the drop down arrow. Drop down, see it? Clone. Okay, now arrange that and then just keep cloning it. Tell your parents you're a mad scientist now because you're cloning. Yeah, I say funny stuff every now and then. Not very often, but occasionally. Ah, it's going to be hard, isn't it? See, because you have some overlap there. What Sarah's finding out is we need one more shape in there, don't we? Oop, you're stepping on my cord. Thanks. If we go like this and do it like that, did you just say diamond? Rhombus. My first period class did it differently, but yes, we need a rhombus in the middle. Diamonds are valuable stones that come out of the ground. That's what they say. It will. It's already a few million years old because at one point it was a piece of coal. All right, and we could tessellate this as long as we had a rhombus in here, which I might be able to do. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Oh, man. Wow. Am I good or what? What color would you like to fill it with? Pink. Okay. Now this is a tessellation because we have a bunch of shapes that are repeating, and we could just keep doing this. Let me put a few diamonds here. Rhombus. See, now you messed me up. Darn you. Yes, this is what a tessellation is. Can anybody tell me where you might... Now, this is not the only way to tessellate this shape, though. my first period of class did it this way. Let's see. And then we needed an extra rectangle in the middle, which we drew a rectangle for the middle. And tessellate. I like this way better, though. I like this one. Snake skin, is that what you said? And then we could repeat this pattern. We just need another one of the rhombus in the middle. Be fun, wouldn't it? What does that look like? Anybody see? A honeycomb. What else does it look like? Where do you see? Where can you see tessellations in everyday life? Flowers, yeah. Yeah, nature, right? Anywhere else? Anybody have tile in their house? Anybody have? Some in my first period was like, oh, that's on my bathroom floor like that. And that's where they got the idea. No, I hope not too. This is awfully bright green. This is something would have had in the 70s when I was young, the groovy 70s. But they just take this basic, and I think this might even be called a flower petal pattern, and tessellate this. Quilt, yeah, right. Quilts are tessellations because you're just repeating the same patterns over and over again. Exactly. Good for you. Your mom's quilter. And we would just keep repeating that pattern over and over again. And that's a tessellation. You see that everything's lining up, the same pattern. You can see that over and over again. There's no gaps and there's no overlap. Hexagons will tessellate very nicely. Lots of shapes. Well, I don't know about an octagon. An octagon might need, not sure. But anyway, there you go. That's it. I told you, shortest lesson of the year.